Welcome to Naturally.co Cooking with Tara. I am going to make a simple quinoa pear breakfast bake. So I already have my quinoa in here already rinsed. I'm going to add my pears. I'm going to add my dry spices. Then I got a tablespoon of honey. That's going to be your sweetener. Some vanilla. I'm going to add my water. Okay, so we have our mixture, so I'm going to transfer it into a grease, just a little small baking pan, and this will need to be covered, so just think that in mind when you're picking out your pan. So all I'm going to do is put this in my oven for about 50 minutes, and it's going to be covered. See you back. While your bake is baking in the oven, we're gonna get our topping prepared. So I have some almonds here. I chopped them up. You can use sliced. I just had whole ones and I just chopped them up. So I just like to use what I have. So we're just gonna mix up that sugar in there. Then we're gonna take our butter, mix that as well. Okay, so after about 50 minutes baking, you're going to pull your bake out and you're going to add this delicious topping on top and cook for additional 10 minutes. So see you back later. It's been about 50 minutes. I just pulled this out of the oven. I'm going to take my topping and I'm just going to sprinkle it on like so. And then I'm going to put this back in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until this is golden brown.